In my video guide, I will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to get rid of fake Windows support alerts, which quote this fake Windows support number +1 866 822 9630. This is a fake Windows support number. It is not related to Windows or Microsoft. There are some online hackers who actually stand behind these pop-ups, and this is a fake Windows support number. You should not trust these deceptive and fake alerts. Such pop-ups, by the way, could be the consequence of certain adware enabled in your computer. We recommend you to leave this page, and also we recommend you to thoroughly research your device with the help of Combo Cleaner, the reliable antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and begin researching your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete other infections. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.